In this video, I am going to show you how to set up a NETGEAR EX5000 Wi-Fi range extender. So the first thing that you'd like to do, or first of all, there's two options to do so. The first option is setting up using WPS. So just go and plug your EX5000 into a wall outlet near your router, and you'd like to wait until the power LED becomes solid. Then you would like to press the WPS button on the EX5000. Within 2 minutes, you'll have to place the WPS button on your router as well. Then wait until the router LED turns solid green or blue, indicating a successful connection. If, as an example, your router doesn't support WPS, you can do so, or you can set it up using a web browser on your phone or PC, both. So if your router doesn't support WPS, you like to connect your phone or laptop to the NETGEAR extender Wi-Fi network, basically it's the extender. You then open a web browser and go to mywifi.ext.net, and you would like to click new extender setup and follow the setup wizard, whether on phone or PC. So you'll have to choose your Wi-Fi home network from there and enter its password to connect it to your router. Then after the setup, you'd like to go and unplug your extender, move it halfway, an example, between your router and Wi-Fi dead zone, and you should be good to go. You can then go and plug it back in. A green or blue router LED means the extender has good connection to your router. If it has any other color, just move it closer to the router. Once you're done, you can just go then and connect your devices with the extender Wi-Fi network. Depending on your settings, you may use the 2 GB or 5 GB. So normally it should have the same Wi-Fi network name as your router name. With it's gonna end just with the dash EXT or 2GXT, as an example, if it's 2.4 or 5G EXT. So the Wi-Fi password is usually the same as your existing network unless you change it during the setup. The name as well, you may change it during the setup. So then just go and connect your devices like your phone, PC, TV, whatever you have, and you should be good to go. So that's how you set up the NETGEAR EX5000 Wi-Fi range extender. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. If you do, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.